Hey friends, Miss Reed back again for today's edition of Garage Math with Miss Reed. As you can see, we are on lesson 30 today. I'm pulling you even closer, sorry. And we are going to be dividing with zeros in our dividend, or there might be some zeros in our quotient. That's the only thing that's different. We're still going to do the same steps. I still look the same, except I changed my scarf for you. You're welcome. I've been out here in the garage making these videos. I go in to eat, sleep, shower, come back out here again. All right, we've got this. Today is Thursday, so no, it's Thoughtful Thursday. So I don't know if I've used this one yet, but I like the quote that says, mistakes are proof that you're trying. Nobody is perfect. If you make mistakes, that's a good thing. We learn from mistakes. Even in math, you can major learn from mistakes, right? So that just means you're trying. If you weren't trying at all, you'd never make mistakes because you'd be sitting there doing nothing. You clicking on this video and watching it is proof that you're trying, right? So cut yourself some slack when you make mistakes and learn from them. All right. Oh, I forgot about this important part. Fluency. The fourth grade teachers are like, Miss Reed, can you start adding fluency? Fluency, skip counting. So let me turn this up. We cannot finish a week without listening to our friend, Sergeant Seven. So let's do some fluency with Sergeant Seven. Say it with me. You know you want to. Get crazy. Uh-oh. Sergeant Seven is tired. Oh, there it goes. Is such fun. 7, 14, 21. Come and see what I can do. 28, 35, 42. Easier than ABC. 49, 56, 63. 70 is next, there's more. 77, 84. Say it with me. Is my name. Counting sevens is my game. Sergeant is my name. Counting sevens is my game. Sergeant Seven is my name. Here we go. You ready? Ready for it? Let's do skip counting. You got this. You got this. Sevens with such fun. 7, 14, 21. Come and see what I can do. 28, 35, 42. Easier than ABC. 49, 56, 63. 70 is next, there's more. 77, 84. You're welcome. It's going to be stuck in your head all day because it is mine. I'm Sergeant Seven all day. I just bust out singing it. My family thinks I'm crazy. They're like, what is this? What are you talking about? Sergeant Seven. All right. If you remember the song, memorize the song, you have memorized your sevens. All right, camera's ready. Here we go. So we are dividing today. Let me grab my markers. With zeros in the quotient or zeros in the dividend. But first, let's make our boxes. Box method, long division, standard algorithm, all the same thing. Ready? 4 is our star of the show. It's the one that wants to be skip counted by all day long. So first we look at the 8. 8 is greater than 4, so I know that I can skip count from 4 to 8. Let's do that. 4, 8. What's on our fingers goes up. What we say out loud for 8 goes down. Remember, this was division, Dad. Now we multiply. 2 times 4 is 8. Sister, now we're going to subtract. 8 minus 8 is 0. The brother comes in. Kyle, remember Kyle the kicker? He goes to kick this. He pulls a Charlie Brown because it's a 0. A 0 in front of a 0. Still a 0, right? Okay, let's check out what we do next because this is different than what we've done before. We know that we need an answer above each box, right? So now we're here and it's a 0. And I told you we couldn't do, remember we can't take a number in if it's lower than that, if it's lower than the divisor. So 0 is lower than the divisor, but anytime you have a 0, here's what you need to ask yourself up in this dividend. You say, how many times can 4 go into 0? What is nothing in math? Because it can't happen. Yeah. What stands for nothing in math? 0. So 4 goes into 0 0 times. You're actually going to put your 0 up there. It's going to hold that place up there because it can't go into it. It's 0 times. You with me? All right. That's your dividing. You're multiplying. What did we say out loud? It's just 0. 0 times 4 is 0. So we're putting it down here. Just a bunch of zeros. That seems easy, right? I subtract, get a 0, kick over a 0. Now I'm looking at a 4 over here. How many times will 4 go into 4? 4. How many times is that? 1. 1 goes up. What did we say out loud? We said 4. We put it down here and subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Up, Rover. There's nothing here. Kyle the kicker. Nothing to kick over.
So we know our answer is complete because we have a digit above each one of these boxes here. So 201, we're finished. Tell me, yell it at me. Good. No, we're not. We have to check our answer. So we're starting with our 201. We're going to multiply it because multiplication is the opposite of division. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 0 is 0. 4 times 2 is 8. 804. 804. That's how we know we're correct. Do you see what we did with the 0 in there? We just said, can 4 go into 0? Nope, it goes 0 times. 0 times 4 is 0. Right? Not hard. You guys have got this. Let me grab my marker and let me go look at the next problem for us. The next problem is, 4,218 divided by 3. They're trying to get us on this one. Let's show them we know what we're doing. All right. And if at any time during the problem set you forget any of this, you can just rewind the video while you have your paper in front of you and you're working it out. And you can replay these problems, right? You can replay them step by step while you're working it out. That's the bonus of NTI. 4218 divided by 3. The negative of NTI is that I'm standing in my garage talking to the camera with no one around. But I know you're listening today. All right, here we go. Ready? 4,218 divided by 3. So first, step 1, box it in. Put each one of these in their own box. Now we're ready to go. Dad starts us off, so we're going to divide 4 divided by 3. 3 is the star of the show, so basically we're just skip counting 3 to 4. So 3. What's on our finger goes up here because 3 goes into 4 one time, and what we say out loud goes down here. And we said 3 because 1 times 3 is 3. Then we're down to sister. She subtract. We subtract. 4 minus 3 is 1. We're down to brother. Brother Kyle. Kyle the kicker. Kyle comes over, boots it. Boom, the kick is good. Falls in front of that 2. The 2 becomes a, you've got it, 12. Now you're following your answers and you're like, okay, we're here. All right, I have 12. I'm skip counting by 3. 3, 6, 9, 12. What's on my fingers? 4. What's on my fingers goes up. What I say out loud goes down below. 4, 8, 12. I said 12. 12 goes down below because 4 times 3 is 12. That was my multiplying. So then I'm down to sister, subtract. 12 minus 12 is 0. Let's kick over that 0. Ready? Boom, Kyle kicks it. Way to go, Kyle. He doesn't really kick it. That's a Charlie Brown. There's nothing there, right? So we're just looking at the number 1. This is where it gets weird because I'm supposed to skip count from 3 until I hit 1. Can I do that? No. 3 won't go into 1. I can't separate, 1 Skittle among 3 people unless I do fractions, right? So it's not working for me. So I can't do it. So what's the number for can't do or nothing or nada? It's a 0. So 3 will go into 1 0 times. Can't do it. So we just divided. 1 divided by 3 is 0 because I can't do it. Now I need to multiply 0 times 3 and I get 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. You with me there? Did you see how that worked? We kick it over. Kyle kicks over what's left. And now I'm at an 18. The only place I have open is this one here. Skip counting from 3 to 18. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18. How many is that? 6 on the fingers. Said 18 out loud. We subtract and get 0. Rover, there's no remainder. Nothing for Rover to roof about. So now we have our answer up there. We need to check it. Let's check it over on the side. 1406 times 3. Okay, here we go. 3 times 6, 18. Put your 8 down, regroup your 1. You're done with that. 3 times 0 is 0. Plus your bonus 1 will actually give you 1. Done with that. 3 times 4, 12. 2 down. 1 goes up. Done with the 4. 3 times 1 is 3 plus your bonus point of 4. 4,218, 4,218. So on this one, we had a 0 in the quotient, if you notice it there. Last time we had a 0. It was like 80. We had it in our dividend. Remember that on the last one? So this one is a quotient one, which means our answer comes out with a 0 in it. And the reason our answer came out with a 0 in it is because one of our numbers in the boxes was lower than our divisor. So we say it goes in 0 times. Everybody good with that? Okay. All right. So you're going to be doing the problem set for lesson 30. And the problem set I want you to do today, listen carefully. Oh, there are 8 questions. 8 questions on lesson 30 problem set. And because people sometimes get confused with this 0 rule with dividing, I want you to try out 8. And I want you to multiply to solve them. Because I know you're capable of doing this, right? This isn't tough. You can do this. If it is tough, guess what? Reach out to a teacher. They're on standby. So right now I want you to pause the video. I want you to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of your problem set. I want you to take a picture of it. I want you to do it in a dark color if you can. Take a picture and send it to your teacher. That way, if you struggle, they can help you. They'll know how to help you. All right, ready? I'm about to give you the answers. This means you've already completed it, because if you just listen to the answers and you write them on there, the teacher's going to see that you didn't do the work. And more than that, character is what you do when no one's watching, and it's up to you to grow your brain cells and to care and to try your best. So right now, pause the video and do the problem set for yourself so that you know you can do it. Be proud of yourself today. All right, here comes the answers. Number 1 is 51. Number 2 is 234 remainder 2. Number 3 is 209. Number 4 is 203 remainder 1. Number 5 is 190. Number 6 is 1,280. Number 7 is 614. And number 8 is 1,341 remainder 1. If you struggled with any of those today, or you got them half wrong or mostly wrong, please reach out to your teacher. She'll do a little meet with you. I feel like a broken record. I say that over and over, but I really mean it, guys. We don't want you to just be guessing at this, click on buttons, and because if we were in the classroom right now, I'd be uploading your business, right? What are you doing? How are you doing it? Yes, that's right. No, that's not. Let me help you. So let's let NTI work like that. Reach out to your teachers. They want to help you. All right, friends, that concludes our math for the week. You all do a wonderful job in related arts tomorrow and have an amazing weekend. Bye.